How to watch multiple games on YouTube TV. Did you know YouTube TV has a multi-view feature that lets you enjoy multiple games at once, especially during live sports? Whether you're a diehard fan or just want to keep up with all the action, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app or visit tv.youtube.com on a supported device. Step 2. Sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account. Step 3. Go to the Live tab. Navigate to the Live tab from the main menu to browse available live sports events. Step 4. Look for the Multiview option. If Multiview is available, you'll see a Multiview preview option showing 2 or more games on one screen. Step 5. Select Multiview. Click on the Multiview preview to start watching multiple games simultaneously. Step 6. Customize the view, if supported. If customization is allowed, adjust the game layout or switch between different games in the multi-view mode. Step 7. Exit multi-view. To exit, press the back button or navigate away from the multi-view screen. With these steps, you'll be able to enjoy all the action without missing a moment. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out.